Hey, what's going on? So, I went out looking for junk again. I picked up one air conditioner. Yeah, there's not much out there, but anyway, this is a pretty good one. I may have already shown one like this model. I'm not sure. This is an 8,000 BTU. Not sure if I've shown the 8,000 or a smaller one. And it's 2017. So this was a pretty good score. This was all shrink wrapped. So I don't know why they threw it out. I don't think they shrink wrapped it just to throw it away. But anyway, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. It's really dirty, but nothing wrong with it. And I got the filter over here that's all clogged. I got the remote control. So this is a pretty easy one to sell. It's a little smushing on the back. So let's turn this on. Yeah, these usually work. Its model. I've had quite a few of them. Is it on yet? I don't know if this is one of the Gree compressors. It said a GMCC. I can't even see it. I can't see it. It's one of those things. It's a motor. One of those motors. I've seen those before. I think it's like a no-name Chinese fan motor. This one smells a little bit. It's definitely getting cold. I don't think you can't really get to the coil ends in here. Yeah, it definitely works. It's pretty cold now. Coil's all dusty. Yeah, this one smells a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty dirty in there. This won't be a problem though. This will all clean up. I'll put some bleach in there. It'll look like new. Close to new. Let's see. It's low. That's high. This has a pretty decent fan output. Medium. Low. Didn't really hear any difference there. Yeah, not a big difference there between medium and low. Hardly any difference. Yeah, it's pretty cold. It's definitely working. So there you go. It's a 2017 Frigidaire. Yeah, this isn't a bad model. I mean, it's a newer one. It's all styrofoam in the front there, but these seem to work. Seems like a decent model. All right, there you go. I'll see you next time.